Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mazda 6 windshield wipers is probably one of the most overlooked safety features on your car, until you really need them. Maintaining clear visibility is paramount, especially when rain, snow, or debris obscure your view. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Mazda 6 windshield wipers, helping you choose the perfect set to keep your view crystal clear. Number 5. Mazda 6 CX-5 CX-9 Replacement Wiper Blades. These are brand new replacement wiper blades. They are designed to perfectly fit your Mazda 6, CX-5, or CX-9. This ensures optimal performance and clear visibility. This set replaces the original equipment part. The OEM part numbers are A398S, KB8M 67-330, KD2W 67-330, KD7W 67-330, and 3,397,014,398. You can be sure it will fit your car. These wiper blades are specifically designed for Mazda 6, CX-5, and CX-9 models from 2017 and later. Please note that they are not compatible with J-hook wiper arms. Make sure it fits your car. The set includes a 24-inch and an 18-inch blade. They are designed for top-lock wiper arms. This combination provides complete coverage for your windshield. The dual precision tension steel springs and asymmetrical wind spoiler ensure uniform pressure. This provides better windshield contact, eliminating wet spots. It also uses blended dual rubber compound with graphite coating for smooth and quiet operation. Made with natural rubber and memory steel, these blades are built for extreme weather durability. They are designed to withstand various conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This wiper blade is a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your Mazda 6. It features dual precision tension steel springs for uniform pressure, eliminating those annoying wet spots. If you are looking for a reliable, factory-spec replacement that can handle any weather, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed and snapped into place within 2 minutes. These replaced wipers from Costco that only lasted a few months and did not have a definite click when installed. These were delivered very quickly and slid right in with no issues. Tie. Thank you. Number 4. Factory wiper blades for Mazda 6, CX-5, CX-9. These wiper blades are designed specifically for Mazda 6, 2018 to 2021, CX-5, 2017 to 2021, and CX-9, 2017 to 2021, models. They are easy to install, with no need for any extra adapters. This set of 2 blades will get you ready for the road. This set includes both the driver and passenger side blades, sized at 24 and 18 inches. They are made to the same standards as your original wipers, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. The longer and thicker base, along with the award-winning design, ensures these wipers perform well in rain and snow. They remain stable, durable, and quiet, no matter the weather conditions. Installation is a breeze. The design allows for a smooth, clean, and streak-free wipe. You won't need to worry about any complicated adapters. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty. A professional customer care team is available 24 hours a day to assist you with any questions or concerns about the product. Before you buy, please refer to the product description for complete details. Carefully study the pictures to make sure this is the correct style wiper for your vehicle. What we like. These wipers offer a smooth, streak-free wipe and are incredibly easy to install, no adapters needed. The award-winning design ensures they remain stable, durable, and quiet in all weather conditions. If you value a hassle-free installation and long-lasting performance, you should consider this. What people say. The wipers fit perfectly on my Mazda 6. They clear the windshield effectively, leaving no streaks. The installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 3. AERO Avenger wiper blades for Mazda 6, 2018 to 2022. Introducing the AERO Avenger wiper blades, designed as a direct factory replacement. This ensures that it meets or exceeds OEM quality standards for safety and fitment. You can trust this product to perform reliably. With every purchase, you'll receive free extra squeegee refills. This means you get double the performance life, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment. Installing these wiper blades is quick and easy. The hassle-free, tool-less installation means you can have them up and running in minutes. It's designed for your convenience. The specially blended rubber with Teflon coating delivers a smooth, quiet, and clean wipe. It eliminates chatter, ensuring clear visibility in any condition. You'll experience a noticeable difference. These all-season wipers are built to keep your windshield clean and clear, no matter the weather. Whether it's ice, snow, acid rain, or salt water, they've got you covered. This ensures optimal visibility year-round. What we like. This product comes with extra squeegee refills, doubling its lifespan and saving you money. The specially blended rubber with Teflon coating ensures a smooth, quiet, and chatter-free wipe. If you like saving money and want all-season performance, this is a great choice. What people say. These wiper blades are the easiest to put on and they do an amazing job. They include 2 refill rubber blade inserts also. They were extremely easy to install and even included an extra set of the rubber wipers. Number 2. YOKKIP 22+22 Windshield Wiper Blades. These wiper blades are designed to fit Chevrolet Silverado 1500 2500 HD, 2001-2006, and Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, 2009-2010. Please double-check your model and size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Installation is a breeze with these wipers. There's no need for any complicated adapters. You can quickly and easily install them yourself. No matter the weather, these wipers are ready. They can handle hail, snow, and heavy rain, ensuring clear visibility without any streaks. Engineered by YOKKIP professionals, these wipers use 5A natural rubber for a smooth, clean, and quiet wipe. You'll barely notice them working. If you have any issues with the product, don't hesitate to contact us. Our customer service team is ready to provide you with comprehensive support. What we like. The blades are designed for easy installation, so you can replace them quickly. They withstand all weather extremes, providing superior visibility and comfort. If you are looking for a quiet and reliable wiper blade for your car, this is the one for you. What people say. Nice and smooth operation after install with a clean finish. The wipers all fit as directed with minimal effort. Zero noise during operation. They check all the boxes and they're pretty durable. Been using it for a few months now. We just had a rainstorm came in and it was able to clean my windshield without leaving any streaks. Number 1. FAPIUO Mazda CX-9, CX-5, Mazda 6 Silent Wiper Blades. These FAPIUO wiper blades are designed specifically for Mazda CX-9, CX-5, 2017-2021, and Mazda 6, 2018-2021. They are a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to upgrade your wipers. The package includes a 24-inch blade for the driver's side and an 18-inch blade for the passenger side. The set comes with clear installation instructions. You won't need any awkward adapters, making the process quick and hassle-free. These wiper blades meet OEM safety and durability standards, offering a higher safety factor. You can trust them to perform reliably in various weather conditions. They are built to last, providing you with clear visibility. Enjoy smooth and quiet operation with these blades. They reduce noise and friction, ensuring a more pleasant driving experience. They are also designed to resist rust, extending their lifespan. These wiper blades offer a durable and long service life. They are easy to clean and maintain. Plus, you'll have peace of mind with the included 365-day after-sale service. What we like. This wiper blade meets OEM safety and durability standards, ensuring a safe and reliable performance. It provides a smooth and quiet operation, reducing noise and friction. If you want a quiet and easy-to-install wiper blade, you should consider this. What people say. They are virtually silent as they clean the water away, and no streaks. Fit right on and do a banger good job and no sound at all. Installed on a 2015 BMW 328i's drive and so far working nicely and in particular quietly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.